This is example 3.1 from Discovering Design with Chemistry by Berean Builders. Our question says the atomic number of gold is 79. What is the mass of the average gold atom in grams? So being told the atomic number helps us know where to look on the chart. So we just find the element with the atomic number 79, and that is Au. So gold is Au. The number underneath the symbol is 196.97. That is how much mass the average gold atom has in AMU, or atomic mass units. But we need to somehow convert that to grams so that we have the answer in the form they want it. Using our conversion relationship, we can just simply multiply the way we do any conversion. So this is an AMU. We're going to multiply by something. We're going to put AMU on the bottom, and we're going to put grams on the top. And then we just fill in the numbers from our conversion relationship down here. So we have 1 AMU and 1.66 times 10 to the negative 24 grams. Our AMUs are going to cancel, leaving us with just grams. And on my regular calculator, I can put in scientific notation easily, and I can also put it in on my phone, and my phone will give me the answer in scientific notation. But on my Windows calculator, which is what I usually use on these, it is not going to do that. It's going to give me a really weird answer. Well, it'll give me the right answer, but it's going to be in the long, normal, standard notation instead of in scientific notation, which will make it really hard to read. So I'll pull that up and show you, and then I'm going to do the same calculation on my phone. So if I type in 196.97 times 1.66 times 10 to the, in parentheses I put negative 24, and then I hit enter, I get the answer. It's just crazy hard to read. And you would think this little button right here would do scientific notation, but when I tried it, my calculator on my computer either doesn't have the settings set up correctly or something's wrong with it. And so I do the same calculation on my phone, and my phone calculator can handle scientific notation more easily. And so can my actual scientific calculator. I get the same answer, but my phone or my regular calculator comes up with 3.269702, and then it has an E. Some calculators will have it in lowercase, some will have it in uppercase, negative 22. And that means instead of this E, that is your times 10 to the whatever number comes after it would go right there. And so I can rewrite this as 3 point, and we have to figure out how many significant digits we need. This had 5, this had 3, which means our answer should have 3, so I can only use 3 digits, and I have to round. 3.27. The E is replaced by a times 10, and then the negative 22 goes here. And because my AMUs canceled out, as they should, I'm left with grams. So that is my final answer. The average gold atom has 3.27 times 10 to the negative 22 grams. If you do not know how to use the scientific notation feature on your calculator, I recommend Googling it with the brand of your calculator, maybe the number and scientific notation, or you can ask me or somebody else that you know so that you can get it right, because you do not want to have to pull up a calculator. Oops, wrong one. You do not want to have to pull up a calculator like this and then have to count the zeros. You're surely going to miss a zero and count something wrong.